It's the first time too.
Morning, aloha. The original poi factory was built in 1905.
What is the process to actually make poi?
You start with poi taro that comes from irrigated taro patch. After that, we've cooked and then we've cleaned. Thus, we would start off the pounding with. Basically, from there, your main goal is to get it as smooth as possible.
Okay.
All right. So poi is really the center of the meal, the traditional Hawaiian meal, and really, if you don't have that ai, in a sense, it's not a real meal. Luau foods, so we got kalua pig, lau lau, squid luau or beef luau, we got chicken lung rice, we got lomi salmon, haupia, and
Waiahole Poi Factory, you heading your way through Waiahole, you ain't gonna miss it. It's on the corner of Kamehameha Highway and Waiahole Valley Road. Come down, check it out.